we are on the introductory of JavaScript by building a pyramid generator. So I skipped the step 1 because all you have to do is to click the check your code, and now we are here on our step 2. It says one of the most important concepts in programming is variables. So these are the variables. A variable points to a specific memory address that stores a value. Variables are given a name which can be used throughout your code to access that value. Declaring a variable means giving it a name. In JavaScript, this is often done with the let keyword, and for example, this is how we would declare a hello variable. So we have here a variable named hello with the keyword let. So variable naming follows specific rules. Names can include letters, numbers, dollar signs, and underscores, but cannot contain spaces and must not begin with a number. Use the let keyword to declare a variable called character. Okay. Note it is common practice to end statements rather in JavaScript with a semicolon. So for now, let's use the let and then name it rather than hello. Instead of hello, we name it as character. Oops. And end with semicolon. So we have named a variable called as character with the keyword let. So what speaking of let, there is another variable called const, correct? Const. So what is the difference between the const and let? The difference is that const cannot be reassigned, and then let can be reassigned. So for example, no, let character, that it is. So for example, uh, we named a variable character and then let that character be uh, has to be assigned to a string. Let's say Batman, and then let us um, console. I don't know. Actually, oh, there it is. And then let's reassign the character variable as Superman. Superman. And so if we console that log our character, it will output, um, of course, Superman because we reassigned our character from Batman to Superman. However, if we used a keyword const, this cannot be reassigned because the keyword const came from the word constant rather. So this cannot be reassigned. So if we ever to console that log our character, reassign character rather, it will throw an error. So there would be an output of error. So that's a brief explanation, but that would be it. Nice.